let's talk about the 3 phases of turning attention into customer revenue. Connect, which is all about branding. Commit, which is about that lead generation and putting people into your sales funnel. And close, where it's all about the sales retargeting to talk to people who are already in purchase intent and help them make a decision to become a customer of your brand. When we actually go to implement these ads, we do it backwards. What I mean by that is we don't want to go out and just start creating branding ads and putting those out to cold audiences if we're not quite sure if they'll buy something from us at the end of the day. So we start with the audiences that we currently have, and we focus on retargeting those that have showed purchase intent. So if you already have people that are landing on your sales page, if you already have people that are going through your sales funnel, let's implement the close ads first to see if they're getting results. If you're spending $1 and you're not getting $1.01 back, well, those close ads aren't working. So the first thing that we need to do is stop before we start implementing so many different ads trying to get the sale. We need to analyze why your ads are working, why they aren't. Are people clicking? If they're clicking, what questions are they messaging you about? What questions are they submitting to the chat support on the page or emailing your support line? Maybe we can put those commonly asked questions in ads in front of them to get better results. Now, we don't move on to the other phases of the framework. We don't move on to lead generation if the leads that we're already getting organically aren't becoming customers, if that's our end goal. So the time that it takes to actually implement the close ads could be 2 days, but it could be 2 months. So I just want you to set realistic expectations that results do take time along the way. Once you know that $1 can turn into, hey, $2, $3, and you have a really great return on ad spend, then you can slowly start layering in different pieces of your strategy along the way. You'll zoom out and we can focus on commit ads. Now it's all about lead generation because you know new leads coming into the pipeline are going to become customers. You've already proven that with your close ads. And once you get leads at a favorable cost, again, which could take a few weeks, it could take a few months, hey, it could even take a day if you really understand your audience. But it's going to be different for everyone based on your level of experience and based on the past performance of your sales funnels. Once you have that lead generation that works, then we'll move out and start connecting with your audience with connect ads and focus on that branding piece. So again, results do take time, and the first time you do something isn't going to immediately hit it out of the park. Now, fingers crossed that sometimes it does. However, I just caution you to have realistic expectations that results take time, and at the end of the day, it's just giving you more data. More data is giving you the information that you need to make Facebook advertising decisions for your brand going forward. So get out there, run those ads, get those results, analyze it, and then improve and improve and improve. And that's how you get Facebook advertising success.